Okay. Ayan. Good morning, Philippines, USA, all over the world. Ayan, gawa lang tayo ng breakfast mga kapitbahay. I'm making my breakfast. Ayan, today is, right now is almost 6 o'clock in the morning. So, I'm making my eggs, mga kapitbahay, for my breakfast. Eggs and onion. Ayan, gusto ko talaga medyo sunog-sunog na makonte, mga kapitbahay. Ayan, para talagang may lasa siya. Ayan, eggs. Ayan, yan lang po yung aking breakfast. It's only breakfast gonna be. And my banana. So, that's my banana and eggs. Hello, good morning. Ito yung